Let's get to it.
Okay, ang first step natin, we put our 15 ml honey and 20 ml fresh lemon juice in a glass. At kailangan i-stir yan hanggang sa mga 70 or 80% ng honey ma-dissolve. At syempre, pag medyo okay na ng konti, pag medyo okay na ng konti, ang gagawin na, ibubuhos na natin ng 45 ml na premium gin. Okay, pero syempre, pagkapuhos ng gin sa premium gin, kailangan mo i-stir ulit hanggang sa ma-dissolve ang ating honey.
Okay. Dissolve.
At syempre, may kasamang ice. Tapos, get ready sa shaker. Yan. Okay, well, no more than 5 seconds kasi may tendency na yung cocktail ay tatabang, di ba?
That's right. Tatabang.
Yan, ibig sabihin, alam din yung tatabang talaga, di ba? Ibig sabihin na ng G-Mix. Very, very good yan, brother.
That's
So,
what I
after shaking,
suppose was.
syempre ang gagawin is strain na natin yan. Yun. At syempre, napakaganda pa na toast would be our garnish and we have our lemon peels to do that.
Okay.
Oh, excited ka na?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Kasi sa lahat ng ginawa niya, base sa nakita ko, base sa mga binigay kong instruction, kumbaga perfect yung accounting, yung balance ng ingredients. Alam mo, by looking at it, alam mo na kagad, di ba, nakikita mo yung amoy, nakaka-excite na. Tapos makikurious ka talaga, yung gin plus honey. At of course, hindi nawawala. Naka-ready ang sa akin. Yeah, bro. Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers muna sa kanila.
Cheers.
Cheers! Get ready for the moment of truth. Oh,
Nice. Okay to ah. Nandun yung hint of lemon,
Okay.
which is super evident.
okay.
Tapos nandun din yung honey to balance the citric taste.
Yes.
Tapos, parang sweet and sour kumbaga, but
Okay.
with a kick. You know what? Sobrang ganda nito for after work. Mapapazumba ako.
Papasok ka. Paano? Sige na.
Parang ganon.
Napapazumba nga. Well, Chris, hope you enjoyed. Maraming salamat. At, teka lang. Di ba? Hawak ka na agad. Ganun masarap. Pero bagong lahat. Chris, this is for you. This is a G-Mix Nation badge. Ibig sabihin, malupit ang pagkaka-mix mo today dito sa G-Mix Nation. Okay?
Thank you, Luis. I'm so happy I have this now at last.
Ayun, put it on, bro. Well,
Yes,
Chris,
got it.
congratulations and thank you for joining us.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you. I'm Luis and he is Chris. Kaya naman maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tututok sa G-Mix Nation at dapat G ka na sa mixing because of G-Mix. With us, mixing is so easy. Anyone can do it! That is right. Abang lang kayo for our next episodes dahil napakarami ko bang ituturo sa inyo. See ya!
Hinebra G-Mix Nation. Mixing is so easy, anyone can do it.
And pag may time, try our G-Mix Nation Home Market, the tool para sa mga mixing needs ninyo at home. At may uwi niyo pa ang cuteness ko.